Hey pack leaders, this is Hian, our friends and I are protecting families by protecting pack. We has an exciting demonstration of a reversal trap. Actually, a trailing stop profit with a reversal trap. So let me gonna show you what's going on. Currently, this is a great time to show you this. Alright, so right now we have a trap already set and it's kind of pumping up and it's already filled some rungs already, and I have these spaced out at, I believe it's 100, and then this is 300. So if it pops up and hits those, that's all good. We'll just take profit as it goes, and what it does is then it sells a little bit, leaves a little bit behind. I did do a little bit of dollar cost averaging down below, so now the trap is set. We already have a stop profit right there. 257 is my order. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna create some other, as an example, a stop profit right here at 8,400. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna trail it and create another one at 8,500, and it'll clear the bottom one and then set the trap ahead of time. Okay. Now the first order is gonna be 2572. It's just so that I can cover my my current contract and break and clear it out so that I can reverse the direction. So let's go ahead and show you that demonstration now. Run this. This is the 8400 level, so that's the first order, and I think I need to work on the contracts. It's not matching up, so not a problem. So it's gonna go ahead and create 3 rungs at the stop profit, and then the second one right top of it, so that kind of sets the trap, and it has limit orders behind it to close out a partial number of it, and then leave a little bit behind to keep the line. And I only did 3 for now because there's a limit on the amount of stop conditional orders that you can do. But normally I would have about 10 of these guys going on, right? Now once that's done, let's say it's gonna trail and we're gonna move it up to 8,500 round right here, right? So what it's gonna do is gonna clear out the rest and then recreate those rungs as it trails the price. So this is it's gonna clear this all out now and clear out the limit orders, put the stop profit at 8,500, and then reset the trap on the other direction. Okay, so what I can do now is not only trail it by price, but what I do is trail it by time. So every hour, as it looks at the calculation as it progresses, I don't want to stop too closely because you want to give it some time to move. This will trail behind it, and as it trails, it'll set the reverse direction. So if it does go to a point where it stops and then yanks down the other way, I will then have a whole bunch of ladders in the opposite direction, taking the trap and resetting it again. So we have some of these guys already set up to about 1,000 away, which is more than plenty for it to move. And I don't expect it to fill all these rungs, but when it does reset and go the other direction, it'll do some cleaning, delete the orders that's not going to make sense, and reverse that direction, and just kind of maintain it. So I'm going to be adding this to the Sentinel that watches that profit line. And that way we can just kind of reverse back and forth on the traps. And I'm still thinking about how I'm going to dollar cost average in. To me, I've just been thinking dollar cost averaging is kind of, I would say, dangerous in a sense. So I think I have a criteria that I want to set where maybe if I look at the 24-hour price and the last hour price, and if that's increasing, then I'll dollar cost average down. But if that reverses and it's on a downtrend, then I'm not going to dollar cost average down, but I will dollar cost average long. So if it goes up, then, and it's within that price, I think I'm going to come up with that. Anyways, if you want to get access to this reversal trapper tool, whatever thing, I'm going to be pushing this out pretty soon. Once I get the bot up and running and it's running 24/7, I'm going to be increasing the price. Right now it's currently a dollar trial and a $19.99 per month. It's for supporting the project, and it's just a bunch of tools to kind of help you set up these rungs without having to type every single one by hand. It's just a pain trying to like do the math and okay, type it in, do the math, type it in. You can exit your orders, enter your orders quite quickly. You can enter dollar cost average rungs. So you have 10 of these guys, it'll just create them for you. You can bracket your orders to exit, so you have a limit order and a bracketed stop profit. So if it hits your limit, great. If it doesn't and it goes the other direction, it'll close it out, and it might even reverse the direction for you if you like. But you're gonna have to monitor that part. So it's just a series of tools that I'm just adding together, putting together, and then I'm gonna assemble these tools together and automate them with some algorithms and monitoring and pulses that I can check, so that it's always trading as long as the wind's behind it, kind of thing, and kind of setting your stop losses, stop profits behind it. Doesn't use any indicators. It's just a matter of moving with the market. Okay, thanks for watching. Links is in the description below.